What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to cover a stock that a lot of traders cannot stop watching today. I was actually watching it a lot. Now, the stock is Nvidia, and the reason why I was watching it a lot is on the live options flow for tomorrow's expiration as well as next Friday's expiration. There was a ton of 215 calls coming in. Okay, so why is that, right? If we break down the chart and we kind of look at what's happened over the previous 2 weeks, we can see that Nvidia has topped out at 216.83. Okay, on this chart, that's my top linear regression channel. So we've got clear resistance there. We kind of already know that. We touched 216, we came back down, and now we're kind of pushing our way back up. This looks really, really healthy. If the market does not absolutely roll over and die tomorrow, which again, you would have thought that was going to happen weeks ago. It has not, even with all of the headlines and the news. The market just continues to be absolutely strong and shake things off. Now, am I saying that the market's going to go up forever and there's never going to be a pullback? No, in my honest opinion, I think we're going to probably get a 15% correction at some point in time. Maybe even 20-point correction or 20% correction. When that happens, I have no idea. This can last another quarter. It can go to the end of the year. It can be all over next week. I don't really know. The way I trade with using technical analysis is I respect the technicals until the technicals fail. When the technicals fail and there's a break in structure, shift in structure, then we look to go the opposite side. But right now, every single pullback has continued to get bought up. They are eating everything. Nvidia is one of my top watches for tomorrow. Full disclosure, I am long overnight on Nvidia. Now, typically in markets like this, when the market is this high, I generally like to stay away from swinging anything overnight, but I do have a good entry price. I am in a few dollars less than what the current price is trading at now. So those contracts are already in the money. I will very much so be keeping a tight watch on Nvidia below, what's this price here? Below about 205, right? Maybe even below 205, below 202, 203, definitely would be an out for me here on Nvidia. Again, I am in closer to about 202, 201 when we reclaim this linear regression midline here. So what I was looking at was the break of the midline, right? So let's draw this out. Here's our break of the midline. Here's our spike, and here's our retest, right? We got below it, okay, right here, and now we've reclaimed it. So I was looking at a break and retest, and I'm in right around here, and I'm looking to see, can we get that stretch tomorrow, maybe 216, maybe even 218. That would be fantastic. But again, the market's going to need to help participate a little bit. If the market is very, very choppy, or the market is pulling back, and Nvidia is going to have a tough time, and I can actually see Nvidia, maybe coming back down towards 205 tomorrow. As a little bit of a back test. But again, the reason why so many traders were watching Nvidia today, why this was floating up so much, tomorrow's expiration 215s. Next Friday's expiration 215s. A lot of them $100,000 bets, $200,000 bets, $300,000 bets. These are not your average Joe Schmo like myself putting in 10, 15,000, $5,000 in Nvidia. These are big players coming in with very, very large size. And when I'm following the options flow, I am definitely looking for near-term expiration, either this week or next week. I am looking for out of the money calls or out of the money puts, and I am looking for a lot of them all at once, back to back to back to back to back. And throughout the day today, there was a lot of calls coming in. So how I'm going to play this, if the market gaps up tomorrow and Nvidia opens up greater than 211.50, let's say we open up at 212 and a half, 213, 214, I will sell into that strength. If the market opens up lower than today's closing price, let's say we open up at 209 or 208, I will wait for that early morning shakeout to see if they're going to trap those eager shorts, see if the market wants to reverse and we start to push up towards over today's high price. If we do start to get over today's closing price of 211, I will look to sell into today's high of around 214, 215. Again, I want to see these people get paid out on the 215s because that means that I'm going to be more in the money, and those contracts are going to be moving very, very quickly. So keep your eyes on Nvidia tomorrow. We're definitely going to watch Nvidia. Again, the game plan is simple. If we gap up tomorrow, I am selling into strength. What does that mean for you if you are not already inside and holding Nvidia long? If we gap up tomorrow, do not chase that strength. Allow us to put in a high, wait for it to pull back to today's high price, either 214, 215, or to today's closing price of 211, and buy the bounce. Okay, buy that dip and see if you can use your stop loss either below previous 5-minute, 15-minute low, previous low candle. If we gap down tomorrow, do not just go rush to short it and say, oh, wow, that move failed. I've got to get in short now, because that could be the trap that they're looking for to get that momentum to squeeze back up to the upside. So those are the two game plans that we're going to be looking at tomorrow. Again, definitely for you guys, mark out today's high on Nvidia, mark out today's closing price. So that $4 range between 211 and 214 and a half ish, that range, we want to do nothing inside there. We're not looking to go up and down, up and down, up and down. We're looking for a clear rejection to see the market push down. Then that just means take your foot off the gas and wait to see how the dust settles. Or we are looking to break out of that range and retest and then get long to potentially push up towards 215. Again, remember, these big money players, yes, they could sell their contracts early, but in order for them to go in the money and for those premiums to start really getting juiced, they're going to need to get outside of 215, 216, 217. This chart has room. First stop being 216.30 and next stop being 218 and a half. So those would be the two price targets. Now, if the market is super strong tomorrow, okay, which I don't know, today's closing candle on the NQ, on the QQQs, a little bit suspect, a little bit of a pause candle. Doesn't mean that there's a reversal coming, but it could mean a little bit of a pause. So again, if the market's strong tomorrow, they can blow through 218. I've seen Nvidia up 8 points, 9 points, 10 points. I mean, it could happen, right? So just kind of take it for what it is. Again, also take into consideration that the NQ is up over 4 weeks straight. Okay. So if you are in a position and you are making cash flow, you have to take it off the table. You cannot sit there and expect this to just continue and to continue and to continue. Again, there will be a day where this market gaps down and does not come back to that price for you for a while. So again, if you have cash flow, take it off the table. If you want to leave a runner and maybe leave a stop loss at break even, or leave a stop loss below a previous day low, meaning that even if that trade loses, you're still walking away with cash flow, do so. Sell the majority of your position when you go into the green. However, again, what are we watching tomorrow? We are watching the range between today's closing price and today's high price. I want to do nothing in the middle. If we gap up, I'm going to leave it alone, let it pull back, try to buy the bounce for the break over 215. If we gap lower, I'm leaving the shorts alone, seeing if they can trap those early shorts within the first 30 minutes to an hour, trying to buy somewhere off that floor and see if we can play that back into today's high, into today's range between the closing price and the high price. That's what we're doing. That's why everyone's watching the video today. We're going to continue to keep eyes on this. Technically, I will see all of you guys in the next video. If you guys want to join the Discord, you guys want to get active, I run the options flow each and every single day. You guys can see the flow coming in live. Don't go out there and buy it. Just join the Discord. You guys can use mine. But with that being said, I'll catch all of you guys on the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.